Opinion Best Discord Plugins for Better Discord. 1. Call Time Counter. Call Time Counter plugin is a plugin for Better Discord, a software that allows you to customize and enhance your Discord experience with various plugins and themes. Call Time Counter plugin adds a timer to your voice chat control window that displays the elapsed time of your call. This can help you keep track of how long you have been on a voice chat with your friends or colleagues. To use Call Time Counter plugin, you need to have Better Discord installed on your computer. You can download Better Discord from its official website, https://betterdiscord.app. You also need to download the Call Time Counter plugin file from its page on Better Discord website, https://betterdiscord.app/plugin/see all time counter. To install the plugin, follow these steps. Extract the calltimecounter.plugin.js file from the downloaded zip file to a folder on your computer. Copy the calltimecounter.plugin.js file to the plugins folder of Better Discord. You can find the plugins folder by clicking User Settings / BD Settings, open plugin folder in Discord. Restart Discord or reload it by pressing Ctrl+R, enable the Call Time Counter plugin in your plugin settings. You should see a timer next to your voice chat controls. Source: 1. Call timer for me, Chrome Web Store, Google Chrome. https://chrome.google.com/webstore/details/call-timer-for-meet/papcjmmkmjkiithfogpc lonnie cb. 2. Spotify controls. 3. Show hidden controls. 4. Game activity toggle. 5. Send large messages. 6. Creation date. 7. Google Translate option. 8. Read all notifications button. 9. Better roll colors. 10. Hide disabled emojis. 11. Better volume. 12. Plugin repo. 13. Image utilities. 14. Permissions viewer. 15. Badges everywhere. 16. Translator. 17. Invisible typing plugin. 18. Free emojis. 19. Grammar correct plugin.